Stop chasing payments and start closing deals faster by embedding direct payment links into your Pandadoc documents. In this tutorial, we'll guide you step by step on how to seamlessly integrate payment gateways directly into your Pandadoc documents, allowing your clients to finalize transactions with incredible ease. First, open the document in Pandadoc. Where you want to add the payment link, navigate to the content editor. You'll typically find options to add various elements like text, images, and importantly for us, payment integrations. Look for the payment or add pricing section within the editor's tools. Clicking this will reveal the options for connecting your payment gateway. Pandadoc supports a variety of popular payment gateways. Select the one you have already set up with your account, such as Stripe, PayPal, or Square. Once you've selected your gateway, you'll be prompted to configure the payment details. This includes setting the exact amount to be paid and specifying the currency for the transaction. You can then choose how this payment request appears within your document. You might have a dedicated payment section, or you can embed a clear Pay Now button that directly links to the payment process. By embedding these links effectively, you create a frictionless experience for your clients, allowing them to complete their purchase without ever leaving the document workflow. This significantly shortens your sales cycle and ensures you collect payments more efficiently. Start leveraging Pandadoc's payment integration today to streamline your business and delight your customers.